Let's delve into the process flow of a Boardwalk application with the specified roles: contributor, maker, and checker or approver. The contributor is responsible for providing input data to the application. This data can originate from various sources such as reports or analysis tools. Now let's examine how a Boardwalk application works. In our example, there are three roles: contributor, maker, and checker or approver. The contributor's responsibility is to provide input data for the application. This could be data resulting from a capture from a report or from an analysis tool. The maker takes this input data and combines it with some other data set. The approver reviews the maker's work and provides their approval. Let's follow the process flow in this scenario. The contributor receives input data and enters it into their workbook. This data can be sourced from either an analysis tool or a report. The contributor can manually enter the data or utilize Excel merge to integrate it into their work slice. Upon completing their tasks and ensuring satisfaction with the work, the contributor submits the finalized data to the Velocity ledger. Data is loaded into the system through an overnight job from an external source, such as an ERP system utilizing Supermerge. This data is subsequently updated within the system input cuboid. Notice, there are two distinct cuboids, one dedicated to user input and the other to system input. It's noteworthy that the data sources for these cuboids vary, with user input originating from contributors and system input being loaded from external sources like an ERP system using Supermerge. When the maker initiates their work, the initial download action of their workbook includes the user input cuboid. If the maker had previously been working in their template, refreshing the user input cuboid is performed to incorporate any changes existing in the ledger but not yet present in the maker's template. Following this, the system input data is brought into the maker's template by the same mechanism of either download or refresh. The maker template incorporates two additional cuboids containing process-related data. These cuboids serve as platforms for the maker to analyze the inputs and provide insights. Upon completing their work, the maker has the capability to submit their outcomes to the process cuboids, thereby contributing to the ongoing process-related data within the system. Upon completion of the maker's tasks, the responsibility shifts to the checker. The checker opens their template, and if it is their initial interaction, they download the relevant data to the workbook. The checker's template is designed to access the two process data cuboids, and thus, this data is brought into the workbook. In case the checker has previously downloaded the data in a prior session, they perform a refresh to ensure that their workbook reflects the most recent updates. After the checker is satisfied with the data in the workbook, in this example, they can utilize a designated button to generate output. Upon clicking this button, Supermerge efficiently manages the transfer of data from the process cuboid to an output cuboid. Furthermore, it handles the extraction of data from the output cuboid, facilitating its seamless writing out to a text file. Supermerge plays a crucial role in streamlining both the transfer of data within the system and its extraction for external storage. This concludes the session on Introduction of Boardwalk Velocity. Thank you for watching the videos. If you have any questions on the contents and/or need further clarification or training, you can reach out to us by sending an email to info@boardwalktech.com. With this knowledge about Boardwalk Velocity in hand, you might consider attending the training sessions tailored for developers.